I'm delighted to introduce you to Tim Grice, Managing Director of Vista Labels. Hi Tim, please tell me a little bit about the background of your business.
Yeah, well, Vista Labels are a family-run business based in Stockport in the UK. Established in '74, so we're in our 45th year. Mainly a flexo label printer for many years, but recently invested in Domino Digital, as well as hot foil printing, letterpress, inkjet braille, various other things, including blank labels, etc.
Okay, and the customers that you're supporting and serving, what countries are they from and what sort of market sectors typically?
Mainly in the UK. We do ship a specialist product to Italy and some pharmaceutical work to Singapore, and just in various industries: automotive, logistics, pharmaceutical, nutraceutical.
What was it that made you decide you had to start looking to invest in digital, and how long ago was that?
Well, it's probably going back 8 years ago, maybe longer, when digital was introduced. Our customers were looking for shorter runs, quicker turnaround and so on. So we had to look at it and invest. So we looked quite deeply into it before making a decision, because we were so much flexo based. It was quite a big decision for us.
But presumably it wasn't, because the customers wanted shorter print runs, it wasn't cost effective to keep printing on flexo.
Not at all.
Yeah,
particularly with the plate costs and so on. Customers don't want to pay that really anymore.
Well, obviously did some research into the market. What was it that specifically made you go for the Domino N610i digital inkjet label press?
We made our decision based on a few factors. The opaque white was a big plus, together with the textures that can create, but also the fact that you can print on any substrate basically, without the primer, and then the machine speeds, that you can achieve. That's the three main points really.
Okay, so you're printing at, what speed are you printing at?
Pretty much everything runs at 50 metres a minute.
Okay, so the main reasons you opted for the Domino N610i was because of the highly opaque white, which ended up opening up some new business opportunities for you, and especially with the textures by Domino capability, the fact you could use various or all types of different substrates without the need for priming, and then the productivity speed of the press. Yeah, that's good. Okay, well thank you very much Tim from Vista Labels. These are the reasons why Tim made the right choice with Domino. Thank you Tim.